Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to solve problem number 30 is find the inverse Laplace transform of the given function f of s. We need to solve this problem. Okay, let us try to see here how to solve this problem. So here I am going to use partial fraction method. Okay, so what is this partial fraction method? Let's try to solve this inverse Laplace transform using partial fraction method. So here I can write down this s plus 2 divided by s into s plus 3 into s plus 4 is equal to a divided by s plus b divided by s plus 3 plus c divided by s plus 4. Okay, so now we need to find out the values of a, b as well as the c value. Okay, so how to solve it is, let us try to take the LCM. So LCM for this s into s plus 3 into s plus 4. Okay, so here I can write down a into s plus 3 into s plus 4. Okay, next one b into s into s plus 4 plus c into s into s plus 3 will be the numerator value to what we are going to get. So that is equal to s plus 2 divided by s into s plus 3 into s plus 4. So denominator terms will get nullified. I need to find the value of a. I am substituting that s is equal to minus 3, substitute in the above equation. If we substitute in the above equation, minus 3 plus 2 is equal to, this term will be 0, this term will be 0, that is b into minus 3 into minus 3 plus 4. Okay, so that is minus 1 is equal to b into minus 3. 4 minus 3 is how much? 1, which is minus 1 by 3 is equal to the b value. Okay, so is our b value. Next value we are going to get, substitute s is equal to minus 4 in the above equation. So this is minus 4 plus 2 is equal to, these two terms will be 0. This is c into minus 4 minus 4 plus 3. So this is minus 2 is equal to c into minus 4, 3 minus 4 which is minus 1, which is minus 2 by 4 which is equal to c. C is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, and substitute s is equal to 0 here. Okay, when you substitute s is equal to 0, then you are going to get 2 is equal to a into 3 into 4, which is nothing but 2 into 3 by 4, which is nothing but 2 ones are 2 twos are, which is nothing but 1 by 6 is equal to a. Therefore, when you substitute here in this equation, then you are going to get the value of a is equal to 1 by 6 divided by s, and b value is 1 by 3. So this is minus by minus, you will get it as plus, which is 1 by 3 divided by s plus 3 minus 1 by 2 divided by s plus 4. Okay, so when you solve it, this is the value of f of s value. So I require the time domain, apply inverse Laplace transform. Already we know that Laplace of 1 is equal to 1 by s. Okay, so Laplace of 1 by Laplace of e to the power minus at is equal to 1 by s plus a. So now for this I am applying inverse Laplace. L inverse of 1 by s is equal to 1. L inverse of 1 by s plus a is equal to e to the power minus at. So these are already known to us, just apply here. So when you apply inverse Laplace, then you are going to get f of t is equal to So 1 by 6 is a constant. Inverse Laplace of 1 by s. What is the inverse Laplace of 1 by s? This is into 1 plus 1 by 3. So here we are having 1 by s plus 3, where I can write down this as e to the power minus 3t. So 1 by 3 into e to the power minus 3t is the value. Next one, minus 1 by 2 into e to the power minus 4t is the value. So this is the value what we are going to get when you apply the inverse Laplace transform to the above equation. Okay, so this is how to solve a problem finding the inverse Laplace transform of the given f of s, where we'll get a solution in terms of f of s by using a small technique called as partial fraction method. If you feel the content is useful, please like the video, and if you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt in the comment section. And if you're watching the channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel with the name KV Tulasi Ram. So thank you for watching the channel. Yours obediently Ram. Okay. So just watching this video, nothing you get. Just see the procedure how I solved and try to solve of your own. Then you can solve the problem of your own confidently. Thank you for watching.